Hi guys, this is my first tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to crochet this cute mini plant holder. So let's get started. For this tutorial, we need 3 mm crochet hook, scissors and yarn. Let's start this tutorial with magic circle. Then make 12 single crochet. Pull the yarn tightly. After that, join with the first stitch with slip stitch. We start second row by making chain 1. Then make 2 single crochet in every stitch. So complete the round with 2 single crochet in every stitch. We need total 24 stitches in this round. At the end of the round, join with the first stitch with slip stitch. We start third row again by making chain 1. Then make 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet in next stitch. One single crochet in the stitch after that, 2 single crochet in next stitch. So complete the round with the sequence of 1 single crochet and 2 single crochet. At the end of the round, join with the first stitch with slip stitch. In fourth round, we have to make single crochet in every stitch. So we start fourth row by chain 1 and complete with single crochet. Single crochet in every stitch. Then join it with the first stitch with slip stitch. Then make chain 1. In fifth round, we have to work with inner side of chains. Continue with single crochet from the inner side of chains. Complete the round with single crochet. At the end of the round, put a stitch marker and continue with single crochet. I put this stitch marker because I didn't want any harsh line in my bucket. So continue with this and make a total of 9 rounds with single crochet stitch. After finishing this, make some slip stitch and cut the yarn. to hang the bucket, I made a yarn rope. Take a different color yarn and join it with the bucket. Then make 30 chains. It's up to you how many chains you will make depending upon the length you need to place your plant holder. Then join it with opposite side of the planter. Our mini plant holder is ready. I'm using an eggshell and planting some cactus in it. Now I will place the cactus setup in my mini plant holder. Hope you guys find this crochet tutorial helpful and pleasant. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed my video, please leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, and of course don't forget to subscribe.